Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chrissy with Ahn Co. It's Friday, February 1st. I'm going to go over the markets for the day and week with you. So we came in here, started on a positive note for soybeans, up about 15 cents off that positivity that China said they would buy up to 5 million metric tons of soybeans here as a good faith gesture during trade talks. There's a lot of questions around that 5 million metric ton though, as we're trying to digest that, and that's kind of what the market did throughout the day. Is it going to be 5 million metric tons? When they said up to, are they talking about the fact that they've already bought over 2 million metric ton? Does that include in the 5? And there's a lot of questions remaining. Will it come to fruition? We did not get any private sales announcements this morning. There are rumors now that about midday that they came in here and are looking to purchase 1 million metric ton in the April to June timeframe. So that's really all we've heard. And once the market kind of saw that, it started to really kind of back off of that, and we've struggled to close above that important 925 level on March soybeans, and that's where you found that pressure slowly just dwindled itself down really aggressively towards the last hour of the trading day, and only closing up 2.5 cents after being up over 15 cents. That puts soybeans down 7.5 cents on the week, and we need to see some hard sales and some bigger sales here from China to really be able to push this market. Otherwise, technically, we got a lot of resistance towards that top end that we're just struggling to get through here. Corn market up 1 3/4 after kind of rebounding when they changed the forecast for the second week crop conditions for safrinha crop to a little bit drier than yesterday's trade, but overall still 2 cents lower on the week. Wheat market though had a good day today, as you wonder if this polar vortex caused some problems, some really cold problems in winter wheat areas. And so you got a big push into Kansas City wheat, up 9 3/4 on the day, still just a little bit negative here on the week. Minneapolis wheat up 1 1/4 on the week, and then Chicago wheat up 4 1/4 on the week. Moving forward, there's a lot of information coming at us the next week. We get CFTC today at about 3 o'clock. We get them again on Tuesday, and then Friday we have a gigantic crop report that closes a lot of information for us, including your final production numbers here for this last growing season. So we get final production numbers, updated S&Ds, winter wheat seedings, quarterly grain stocks. Quarterly grain stocks are going to be a big deal here for corn to see how we're using corn with ethanol profitability as low as it currently is. So a lot of information coming next week, and hopefully we'll get some more talks between the U.S. and China. Over to the meat market, quiet trade when you look at live cattle, down 20 or down 60 cents on the week. For lives, feeders down 85 cents. No real hard cash trade here yet so far. Some talk of about 125 for the live. Then when you look at feeder cattle, really just struggling on the cash side, and that is showing up on the futures board as well. Futures market for the hogs down over $2 on the week, so a lot of pressure when you look at that. Outside markets, not a whole lot of action, up almost 300 points on the week for the Dow market, with just positivity coming out of these trade talks between the U.S. and China over the last 2 days. Otherwise, crude oil and the U.S. dollar pretty quiet on the week. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk loss and is not suitable for all producers. Have a good weekend.